Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your money just slips away? It's easy to feel overwhelmed by financial decisions, but you don't have to do it alone. What if you could take control and grow your wealth steadily? On this channel, we help you master personal finance and retirement planning to achieve true financial independence. We focus on the FIRE movement if it's still valid. And we discuss the benefits of freedom salary. We skip the quick fixes and anxious shortcuts. Retirement shouldn't feel like a gamble, it should feel like a plan. The goal is to help you achieve your retirement goals with calm, steady steps that anyone can follow. From smart budgeting to building that freedom salary over time. We break it all down without the jargon. Each week, we'll take another step toward your secure future. So subscribe and turn on notifications to join our community. Stop worrying about money and start building a confident path to freedom.